So it is the video. In this video, you can see staggering moment Israeli defenses arrow through Iranian UAV. Israeli defenses arrow through Iranian UAV. Iranian UAV was flying and the missile is attacking the Iranian UAV. So it's full blown atmospheric warfare kind of thing. Arrow through Iranian UAV. So it is probably searching from and it is coming from upward. So who is destroying? Israeli defense. Arrow through. So Iranian UAV is there. Okay. Okay. So as of now.